5 Cutest Australian animals. No one can resist cute and cuddly animals, especially if they're native to Australia. Echidna. You'll have to be quick with the camera, echidnas don't stop to say cheese. With powerful digging claws, they'll be underground within just a few moments. Fun facts. There are 2 types of echidnas. They have toothless jaws. Sea turtle. We love sea turtles so much. They're some of the greatest travelers of the animal kingdom, regularly cruising up and down the east coast. Fun facts. Sea turtles don't retract into their shells. They are really old. The oldest known fossil is at least 120 million years old. Platypus. They've got the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, the fur of an otter and webbed feet to boot, plus venomous spurs on the males, and did we mention they're egg-laying mammals? Fun facts. Platypuses are venomous. They give sharks a run for their money, at least as far as electroreception is concerned. Sea lion. The puppers of the sea. Australian sea lions are super cute and a must-see around the coastal southern regions. Fun facts. Sea lions are strong swimmers, can reach speeds of nearly 20 miles per hour in the water. Sea lions are expert free divers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sugar glider. Sugar gliders are social, pint-sized, insect-loving marsupials, with one super cool talent: they can fly. Well, not really, they glide. Fun facts. These marsupials are able to glide up to 45 meters, 148.5 feet. Male sugar gliders have a bald spot,